this video, tayo magluluto ng chop suey. So, ito po yung aking gulay. Sitsaro, onion, bell pepper na red, sayote, carrots, bagyo pichay, liver, pork, at itong parang kikiam. So, ito, mayroon tayong olive oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and cubes. So, let's start, guys, our cooking. So, ayan, nagpapainit na tayo ng wok ng kawali. So, lalagyan natin ng olive oil. Kunti lang siya, guys. Parang panggisa lang natin sa ating mantika ay ating chop suey. So, iunahin na natin yung ating bawang. Kunting bawang lang, guys. Kasi marami akong sibuyas. Ayan, ang ating onion. Ayan. White onion po yan, guys. Wala na kasi akong bawang, kaya yan na lang nilagay ko. Pero dinamihan ko naman yung sibuyas niya. And then, I put pork na giniling. So, ayan. Pork giniling, guys. And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating liver. Pork liver, guys. Yan, ang bango. And then, itong kikiam. And then, I put some soy sauce. Ito, soy sauce, guys. Bangunan niya, oh. Then, ilalagay na natin yung ating sayote and carrots. Diba? Then, next, I put some water. Para maluto yung carrots at saka yung sayote. Ang sarap nito, guys. Then, I put some oyster sauce, mushroom. And then, I put cubes. Pork cubes. Siguro damihan pa natin yung ating water. And then I put some black pepper. Ito. Black pepper. Para mas mabango. Lalagyan natin ng cover. So, mayroon pa tayong dalawa na hindi nilagay, guys. Itong chicharo. Panghuli na yan. Panghuli na natin yan, guys. So, ayan. Kumulo na siya. So, we will open again, and then I will try kung luto na ba siya. So, almost luto na siya. Lalagay na natin yung ating bell pepper na red. And then, yan, mabango. Very good smell. And then I put some chicharo. Ito yung chicharo, guys, ang mas pangpasarap dyan. Diba, dami. Then, itong Bagyo Pichay. Bagyo Pichay. Wow. Sarap. Dami. Now, I cover again. Open again. Wow. Sarap na, guys. Oh, ang ating chop suey. And then, I put a little bit of cornstarch. Cornstarch, guys, para maglapot siya. Cornstarch. Wow. Sarap. Diba? And then I will test if yummy. Test natin. Ito para natin yung chicken. Yummy. But I put some water. Kasi parang hindi pa siya luto. Add water. Wow. Sarap. And then, I put some salt. Because, ano pa siya, guys. Kulang sa timpla. Salt. Diba? Masarap. Oh. This is my chop suey. Cover again. Wait until 2 minutes or 3 minutes is cooked na, guys. So while waiting cooking, cook. English tayo guys kasi maraming mga Indiano na hindi nakaintindi, mga iba't ibang lahi dyan na hindi nakaintindi, mga Pakistani. Oh. So, haluan natin ng English. So, ito na guys. Almost done na guys. Shout out sa aking mga viewers dyan from different country. So, this is my chop suey. I will test again if yummy. Wow, yummy. Yummy guys. So yummy. So cover again because style not cook. The sayote style not cook. So open again. Wow, yummy chop suey. Wow, sarap. Wow, sarap guys. So, ilalagay na natin siya dito sa ating lagayan. I-off na natin. And then, iligay na natin siya dito guys. Wow. This is it, chop suey. Ganito lang po magluto ng chop suey guys. So, ang nilagay ko ay yung atay, giniling. Di ko na siya nilagyan ng hipon kasi naghipon na kami kahapon. Puro na lang tayo hipon. Ayan, this is my chop suey. Guys, look. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day everyone. God bless. Bye-bye. See you on my next vlog. Thank you so much guys. Shout out to all my viewers, to all my supporters. Thank you so much.
Do you want to know?